Hello! Today we will be making flipbooks. They are a fun and relatively easy way to play around and learn some animation techniques. All you will need is a pad of paper, like a thing of Post-its, and a pencil or other writing implement. The idea behind flipbooks is that you draw an image and then make little changes on each successive page. When you flip through, your eyes see the individual frames, and your brain makes up the in-between movements so that you see it as a moving picture. One of the techniques I've found very helpful while making these flipbooks is to press pretty hard with your pencil. That way, the next page is a slight indentation of the previous page's image. This can help you keep track of where your characters are. You can animate pretty much anything. You don't need a big pyrotechnics budget for explosions, just practice and time. Look at that! I'm already done with this. Let's see how it looks. Not too bad for just a few minutes. If it's not good, don't worry, you can still flip the book over and try again. And even if that's no good, you still have a perfectly fine, barely used stack of Post-it notes. Here's another one I did right after that one. Thanks for joining us here at the Newport Beach Public Library. Make sure to check out some of our other videos. We've got some great virtual story times and other stuff for you. If you have any questions or ideas, leave them in the comments below. Thanks, and bye!